I could tell you why you're going to absolutely love this property. I could tell you about the amazing location. It's a short walk to Bloor Street, the subway, great shopping, great restaurants. I could tell you about all the amazing schools in the neighborhood, all within walking distance. I could tell you that it's a luxury freehold townhome. It's an N unit, so it's more like a semi-detached. I could tell you it's 1,500 square feet, has an attached garage, has a huge deck, one of the larger decks in the whole community. I could tell you this is the perfect home for first-time home buyers, young families, investors. I could tell you all the reasons why you're gonna wanna call 248A Bering your home. Or I could just show you. Oh, I can also tell you it's time for you to get living and live a great story. Okay, let's go.
So you're heading down the road in your taxi for 4, and you're waiting outside Jimmy's front door, but nobody's in and nobody's home till 4. So you're sitting there with nothing to do, talking about Robert Rigger and his motley crew. And where you gonna go? Where you gonna sleep tonight? And you're singing the songs, thinking this is a life. Then you wake up in the morning and your head full space aside. Where you gonna go? Where you gonna go? Where you gonna sleep tonight? And you're singing the songs, thinking this is a life. Then you wake up in the morning and your head full space aside. Where you gonna go? Where you gonna go? Where you gonna sleep tonight? Where you gonna sleep tonight? Then you wake up in the morning and your head full space aside. Where you gonna go? Where you gonna go? Where you gonna sleep tonight? And you're singing the songs, thinking this is